Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to make a phone call in Flutter Android application. Now there are two ways of making a phone call. First one, as you can see, I have created two buttons. First one is called open dialer, so I have created a button called open dialer. Once you click on it, it will open the dialer for dialer of the user's phone, but the user will have to click on the call button manually. Actually, this is the recommended approach because it does not require any permission. The second one is make call. This actually requires permission, and once you give the permission, you can automatically place a call from your app itself. User does not have to press any more buttons, but it is highly recommended to use the open dialer one. So I'll quickly show you guys the output and then we'll have a look at the code. So here, as you can see, I'll click on the open dialer button. I'm passing a phone number from Flutter to Android side, and here you can see it has opened the dialer. Now the user will have to click on the call button manually. Again, I'll go back to my app, and the second button is the make call button. If I click on that, firstly, as you can see, it is asking me for permission. I will give it the permission, and now it will automatically place a call. So here you can see it has automatically placed the call for me. So let's see how to do this. So first, as usual, I have created a Flutter project, and here I have created this homepage widget. It is a stateful widget, and here, as you can see, I have created a method channel called phone call platform. Same identifier you will have to use it on Flutter side as well. And here inside my layout, I have just taken two text buttons. So on click of first, we are invoking a method called open dialer, so same method name you will have to use it on native Android side as well. And this is the phone number I am passing. Change it to whatever you feel like. And here I have created another text button, and here I am making again invoking a method. Same identifier you will have to use it on native Android side as well. And this is the phone number which I am passing, so make sure you use whatever phone number you feel like. Then you will have to open the Android folder inside Android Studio. I have already done that. Firstly, you will have to go to build.gradle.kts, and here you will have to add this implementation. So I think there is a newer version. I'll just update to that newer version. Once you add this particular thing inside your build.gradle, so this particular build.gradle file, and then you just have to click on sync now, so it will download the dependency for you. This is necessary because we want to use register for activity result for the second button. If you are just using the first open dialer button, you don't need this particular dependency. Okay, so be careful about that. Then again, for the second button where we were placing a call, we require this uses permission, call phone, as well as this uses feature. Okay, so if you are using the second button thing, like making a call directly from your app, you will require this to permission. If you are using the first button where you just open the dialer, you will require this. You will need to add this particular thing as well. This is already present inside Flutter projects, but you will need to add this particular part as well. This is for the first button where we open the dialer. Next, going back to our main activity, so these are all the imports. You can copy paste it. Now if you are not using the second button, like where we are making a call directly from your app, you can keep this as Flutter activity. No need to change it to Flutter fragment activity, but given that I'm showing it both the approaches to you, I have to change this to Flutter fragment activity because we need that to use this register for activity result, which is required for the second button which I have shown you. But for the first button, you can keep it as Flutter activity as well. Okay, now first I'll show you the open dialer thing. So I'll scroll down, and here you can see we are overriding this firstly configure Flutter engine method. We are using the same identifier for our method channel, and once this open dialer method is called, we get the phone number which you have passed it from Flutter side. We just basically call this action dial intent, and we pass your phone number, but you have to append this tel colon as a prefix to the URI, and if it is able to resolve it, we just start our activity. That's it for the open dialer, the first button. Now coming back to the second button, again we have this particular method. We get the phone number, we first check whether we have this call permission or not. If yes, then we just call this make call method. If not, then we first request for permission. So if you check this is the thing where we request the permission. If the permission is granted, then we just call make call. Otherwise, you can handle the scenario for denied request, like display a toast message or whatever you feel like, or use this method channel result to send an error message back. And here I have also created this phone number global variable for the second button. So here you can see, once I get that phone number, I'm assigning it to this particular variable. Now coming back to the make call method, it is same as dial method. You just have to use action call. If you see, we were using action dial, but here we have to use action call. Again, create a URI by passing the phone number. You have to append tel colon at the start and just start our activity. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.